Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to move lines in Google Sheets. So here we have a schedule as an example of a Google Sheet document. So let's say we want to move this line or this column to come after 9 a.m. Well, there are two options. The first option is to type the roll number, which it appears, and hold down Control, and then we're going to left click on it and pull it down. And when we get to our desired location, we can release it. And there you have 8:30, 9, and 8 a.m. We could do it again by clicking on 7, which is the roll number, and then we're going to hold on Control and bring it down, and you can see that 8 a.m. is here. Alternatively, if we want to move it back up or move it any direction, we could click again on the roll number, and then at the top here we can go to Edit, and we have the option to move. So we can click to move up, and it's going to move it one place upwards, and we could repeat that process again to make it happen. But of course, you could decide which option you want to make it faster. If you found this video useful, please show your support with a like.